If grading, giving feedback, and tracking students' progress is eating up your nights and weekends, there's a better way. In this short video, you'll see how Speakable's AI handles grading, feedback, and progress reports. First, let's take a look at the instant feedback on Speakable. In this example, we've created a spoken open response activity for students. They're going to listen to a prompt and record a response to it. When the student hits submit, their work will immediately be analyzed against the grading criteria set up by the teacher. In this case, we've used standards-based grading, and we're looking for a target proficiency level of novice high. The feedback's telling me, great job, I got it. But it's also highlighting some mistakes that we made here in grammar. And we're able to see a model response. We can listen to this model response and then go back and try again if we'd like to. All of the work that students are doing here is then compiled in a teacher's gradebook where they have complete control over students' grades. So within the gradebook, teachers will see the students recording a transcription of this, any grammar mistakes or positive usage of grammar marked up. And in the case where you're using a rubric, you'll see a breakdown of the rubric, how it was scored, and why it was scored that way. Of course, teachers can adjust these grades and leave more comments if they would like to. Students are completing more and more activities. All of their work is automatically compiled into a portfolio that teachers can access through their classrooms. Every month, students' work will be analyzed and an estimated proficiency level will be generated and a report detailing what the analysis concluded as overall performance strengths and areas for improvement. It will provide evidence for its estimated level and also give you the ability to go through all of the students' responses and dive deeper if desired. Now, if you're the leader of a language program, it's just as easy for you to create progress reports that show you how students are progressing. What we're looking at here is a Spanish 1 progress report. We've set up a cohort with all of our Spanish 1 students in it, determined a target level, and now every month we're getting insights that show us how students are progressing towards that target level. We can see past reports, a distribution of where students are at now. We can even click into students and dive down into the details and see how that student's doing. The Insights tab here will give you a report of who's decreasing their proficiency level, increasing, and remaining stable. Thanks so much for watching this video, and if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to the Speakable team at hello@speakable.io.